Hey guys, hope you're having a good day. So today we're going to be doing the Chestburster sound effect for when it first comes out of cane. I can't quite do the cute little growly thing that it does later, but basically this process involves closing up your throat here and breathing inwards. So if you go through the sort of phase of going so you can hear I'm sort of closing up a little bit. I'm going to close up right up here as well. So like that when I'm doing it. So once the throat's almost completely closed up, like that. So it's kind of almost a little bit sort of froggish. So when we're closing it up, we're taking the air in through a very small sort of space. So then you just sort of use your up and down like with sirening. So like. So if you can do that, so it's like like that. So when you're sort of making it, it's kind of hard to explain, but like that. So that will hopefully sort of come forth after a little bit of practice. But it's all about sort of closing that throat up. You got to think about closing it up about here, and if you want to get some sort of modulation going, you're going to want to think about that sort of sirening of going up and down. So like that. So anyway, I'm not sure whether or not that's a really good explanation, but that's kind of how I do it anyway. Use it to scare your family, friends, grandparents, whatever. Someone you care about or love is in the shower. That's kind of how you approach them. That is how to show love to another science fiction fan. Anyway, I hope you have a good day, and I hope this has been helpful. Yeah, it's all about closing the throat up and just breathing in. It's pretty simple, really. It just takes practice, and once you got it, you got it. You probably find that you start sort of coughing or choking a little while. My advice is to have a lot of water while you're practicing this. Even when you've practiced it a while, it's going to probably hurt your throat. So basically, be careful with it, but have fun as well. Traumatize your schoolmates. Ruin people's lives. It's great. It's like your brother's annoyed you that morning. Like that, when he's playing a horror game. Stuff like that. It's all fun. Anyway, have a fantastic day, and I hope you manage to traumatize a lot of people with this. Bye-bye!